And it really I think it also comes from learning about propaganda. I think after I think I was watching a documentary. It was called oh shoot, The Generation of Self, and also reading books like Propaganda, right? And and like just knowing general ideas about psychology. Where the real magic of those kinds of ideas and propaganda and marketing and all that stuff, it doesn't come from what was it? It doesn't come from free will. Doesn't come from the choices that you make. It comes from knowing that you are alive and knowing that your actions have consequences.